Hello everyone, so if you want to switch from buttons to gestures on your Realme C67, we are to open up our settings. Now in our settings, we are to scroll down to the very bottom until we will find our System tab. Now open up your System tab, and in your System tab, you are to find your Gestures option. Choose it. Here you gotta find your navigation mode. Choose your navigation mode, and here we are to switch from 3-button navigation to our gesture navigations. So you can customize your buttons, of course, so simply tap on the cog item, and here, for example, you can enable hold home for assistant. However, if you want to switch to your gestures, simply tap on the corresponding option, and here they are. As you see, once gesture navigation is enabled, the buttons have disappeared, and we are able to control the device with swipes and taps. The screen will adjust slightly. Those familiar buttons are not visible anymore. So, how do you operate with your gestures? If you want to go back, you're to swipe from either the right or the left side of your screen. To go to your home screen, you're to swipe up from the very bottom to the top. And if you want to open up your recent apps, you are to swipe up, then hold a bit and release your finger. And there it is, just like this. So practice these gestures until you will get comfortable with your new navigation method. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.